Danish language lovers, Liam here from DanishTube. I've been teaching Danish now since 2017, full time, and there's something that's really frustrating me. I've taught people from all over the world, I've taught people of all different levels, but there's something that's not only frustrating me actually, it's frustrating you as well. Something that I see all the time in my classes. What could it be? Danish pronunciation? Is it being able to say "Rød med fløde"? Is it having the confidence to answer "Hvad laver du i din fritid"? What do you do in your free time? Is it having the confidence to use what you learn? Well, it could be all of those things, but it's not. It is, drum roll, numbers. That's right, it doesn't seem to matter how advanced somebody gets. They can speak fluent Danish, but when they read a number like 1971 on the screen, they just go, oh no, oh no. So this has been annoying me, because I can't have been doing my job well enough if you're still having problems with numbers. So I've put together all my best methods for learning numbers, and I'm giving them to you in my upcoming webinar on Sunday, the 17th of this month. Join me, follow the links in the description and sign up. We're going to go through the most effective ways to remember and recall Danish numbers, as well as some of the other little things that are niggling at our Danish learning brains. For example, how can I remember the difference between huske and glemme? Which one means remember and which one means forget? I just keep forgetting it. And why do I keep using når when I should be using da? Don't worry, come and join me in my webinar and we're going to go through it together. All the links you need are in the description. See you on Sunday the 17th. Don't miss it. Hi.